Hey guys, Calvin here. Today I'm gonna make another pumpkin pie before Halloween. This one's quite traditional though. It's pumpkin pie with the red bean paste filling. It's the most popular pumpkin dessert in China. There are many different ways to make it. Today I'm gonna show you guys the easiest way as usual. Let's get started straight away. The first step is the same as the pumpkin pie I showed you guys in the last video. Click on the link above for how. So I'm gonna start with step 2, making our filling. Soak the red beans for 30 minutes. Use pressure cooker to cook the red beans for 30 minutes. Blend and cook the red beans for 60 seconds, using low speed until it's smooth like this. Remove the red bean paste to a non-stick skillet. Add cooking oil, set heat on low to medium. Add sugar a little bit at one time and stir constantly for about 10 to 15 minutes. Cover the hot bean paste with plastic wrap to keep the moisture inside. When the red bean paste cools, knead it, roll it, and cut it into 12 pieces. Roll one piece of paste into a ball and set it aside. Now we are gonna use the dough we made in step 1. We are gonna cut the dough into 12 pieces. Each piece is about 60 grams. Take one piece and roll it into a ball. Roll it out a bit and put the red bean paste ball on top of it. Close the dough with your pedicule like this. Then roll it out a bit one more time and brush some water on the surface. Sprinkle some sesame seeds. That's it. Okay, let's cook the pie using a non-stick skillet. Add some cooking oil, set heat on low to medium, and fry them for about 15 minutes. Turn halfway through until they turn brown on the surfaces. Look great, huh? Wow, the skin and the filling are so tender. It tastes so good when the bean paste melted on my tongue. And the skin is not that sticky because I've mixed the rice flour with some plant flour when making the dough. But if you prefer sticky skin, feel free to replace the plant flour with the same amount of rice flour. Okay, that's it. I'm Calvin, Restaurant Recipe Sharer, and I will see you in the next video.